Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to walk you through how you can leverage SMS text message marketing to turn new customers into repeat business, lifelong customers. And I'm going to walk you through the exact script that we're using with our clients to generate them hundreds of thousands of dollars every year in repeat business carpet cleaning customers. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I run a company called AGB and we specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot guaranteed. And I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible not just survive but thrive, whether that's through this YouTube channel or working with us one-on-one in our bespoke digital marketing and advertising program. So let's dive right in right now. So let's dive right into this training. So SMS marketing is really a key element, or it should be a key element to your marketing strategy for your carpet cleaning business. In one of my earlier videos, I talk about owned media. So this is media contacts that you own, right? This is somebody that's filled in a form on your website, provided their contact details. This is somebody that's opted in, when they scheduled with you to receive updates on the business. This is somebody that's clicked a paid ad, right? Filled in a form or given their contact details to get a quote when they clicked on some of your paid advertising. So you paid for that contact information. Now you own it. And over time, you're going to build up a database of people, of contacts. Once you've got that database and on an ongoing basis as it grows, you can start to market, because you own that database, you can start to market to that database for free via text, email or whatever, and get back in front of these people and hopefully turn some of these customers into repeat business, lifelong customers. One of the most effective ways that you can do that is through SMS marketing, text message marketing. And the reason that it's so effective is because it's so instant, right? Like literally, you send one of your customers a text, it instantly pops up on their phone, right? Now, here's the thing. When you get like a notification on Facebook or, you get something in Messenger or whatever, yeah, of course, people respond to it, people see it, but there's just something about a text message, right? It's so much more direct. It's straight to you on your phone number. There's something about a text, and there's something about a text which really prompts a reply. Like I say, it's come through directly to you on your phone number, and so you can leverage that, and it definitely has a lot of impact. And it pops up and it's right there, like literally you can send a text to all of your customers using some software on autopilot. But let's say you've got 1,000 customers on that database. Literally within a second, you've literally got in front of 1,000 people on their phone, right? Like boom, instantly. And you're prompting them to then text you back. And even if, let's say 90% of those people are not interested, or they don't need their carpets cleaned again at that time, the vast majority of those 1,000 people are not up for it. You only need 10%, that's 100 jobs, just from sending out one text message, which might cost you, a few cents or a couple of dollars or whatever it is. So text message marketing 100% should be part of your advertising strategy. Like I say, there are a number of CRMs like House Call Pro, Mark8, which offer this bulk text messaging strategy. There are a number of other providers. If you work with us on a one-on-one basis in our bespoke marketing program for carpet cleaners, it's part of the SMS marketing, our special program. It's part of the overall system that we run for the carpet cleaners that we work with. It's included in the price. So yeah, there's lots of different platforms that will enable you to do this. One of the things that I see where people kind of, make a mistake is in the actual content itself, the actual text message that people send out. So I wanted to make this quick video and actually wanted to pop the hood on the script that we send out for our carpet cleaning clients that work with us and kind of give it to you guys so that you can kind of use it in your business as well. And The big mistake that I see like a lot of people make is they, again, like the text message comes across as like too much of an advert. Like ABC steamers, 20% off till next Friday. Awesome special, ends soon. Text back now before it's too late. And then it's like text stop to opt out. You get these text messages from like big companies like Walmart and stuff, and it's just very commercial. It's very kind of like marketing and kind of advertising. It's not personal at all. It's just basically like a spam text message. People do not want to get text messages like that. That's how you get yourself into trouble. That's how you lose customers. And that is how you basically do not take a new customer and turn them into a repeat business customer. What you want to do is you want to make it super, super personal. And you want it to feel like, even though it's like automated and it's gone out to like 1,000 people, and even though you're trying to get people to like schedule with you again, you want to make it feel like to the customer, like the owner of the carpet cleaning business, like you literally manually sat there with your phone and sent them a text message, like literally typed it up as if you were texting like one of your buddies or one of your like your family members. You want it to feel super personal, like you uniquely texted them manually. And the more personal and friendly and less like advertising and salesy you can make it, the better results you're going to get. So on the screen here is a little kind of example of what I'm talking about. Just as an example, hey, first name, hey Linda, it's John here from ABC Steamers. Obviously that would be your name, your carpet cleaning company. Hey Linda, it's John here from ABC Steamers. I hope you and the family are well. I just wanted to check in and see if you have any carpet or upholstery cleaning needs right now. We have some really good specials on at the moment and I didn't want to miss out, so I thought I'd check in with you. Let me know. It's almost as if you're just texting a friend, right, or a family member. It's like super relaxed, not salesy, super personal. Hey Linda, just checking in. Just wanted to see how you are, how the family is. If you've got any carpet cleaning needs right now, hit me up. We've got some great specials on. If not, don't worry, it's all good. Just stay in touch. Have a great day. Super chill, super personal, super friendly. And it's really that simple. And if you do that, like I said, with the different pieces of software, you can set it up so that it will automatically switch this up and put that person's first name in. And there's a lot of other, there's other things that you can do as well, so let's say some CRMs, for example, might allow you to put some data in there from that person's appointments. Like, hey, Linda, it's John here from ABC Steamers. I hope you enjoyed the cleaning we did for you last May. And then that can switch up automatically. Hope you're well. Hope the family are well. Just wanted to see if you got any more needs. If not, no worries. Speak soon. Write the text as if you were texting someone in your family or a colleague on a less kind of corporate level. Don't think corporate, think personal. So yeah, that's really all there is to it. And again, in terms of like your advertising strategy, in the last video, we talked about getting your Facebook ads super dialed in. There's some other videos about setting up ads for yourself in the channel. Check that out. Talked about retargeting ads. So these are the ads that kind of follow you around the internet. Sometimes people need to see your business a few times. So you've got that. And then moving on from there, you bring that customer in, you capture that person's details. That person then becomes owned media. You have their details. You can then market to them for free with a regular text campaign and turn them into lifelong repeat business customers and continue to make money from them in the foreseeable future. So one of the big questions that I get asked is like, how often should you send a text without it becoming annoying? How regular is good in terms of sending out these kind of text message marketing campaigns? And I would say, obviously it's quite personal. And if you were to like message people every week or even every month, it would get quite annoying. So my advice would be to do it every like 90 days. And that probably ties in well with like how often people get their carpets cleaned. If somebody just had their carpets cleaned, they're probably going to be okay for at least a month, probably 2. Come 3 months, especially if they've got pets and stuff like that, they might be starting to think about maybe needing it done again. So I think that 90-day window is a good time to text. So, you're talking about 4 text messages a year is really not too much. It's not going to really kind of annoy too many people, especially if it's super personal like that. And like I say, if you you've grown your list, if you've got a couple of thousand people on that list, let's say 90% say they're not interested and 10% say they do, that's a couple of hundred jobs. That's multiple thousands of dollars added in profit to your business every quarter, right? Every 90 days. So it's definitely something worth doing. Keep the text personal, keep it super friendly and chilled out. And again, you will see huge results, huge profits, huge growth in your business. And you can set this up so it just runs on autopilot. So you've just got like a conveyor belt of repeat business coming through the door. Every time somebody comes through your system, they automatically get added to the text campaign. You can set it up like that. So if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to grow, scale, and take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, hit the link in the description below to schedule a time to talk to us. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. Peace.